Dear viewers, welcome to the official YouTube channel of BTC Technolabs Private Limited. A firm engages in IT development and support. This is our new venture to help and motivate young software developers as well as IT students who are interested in learning and upgrade their skills. Introduction to Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio is an integrated development environment from Microsoft. It is used to develop computer programs as well as websites, web apps, web services, and mobile apps. Visual Studio uses Microsoft software development platforms such as Windows API, Windows Forms, Windows Presentation Foundation, Windows Store, and Microsoft Silverlight. It can produce both native code and managed code. The most basic edition of Visual Studio, the Community Edition, is available free of charge. Here I am using Visual Studio 2017 version. Now just click on the Visual Studio 2017. At the top we can see the Visual Studio menus. Now this is Server Explorer, which opens up a particular connection and work with a single database data. Now Toolbox, it contains all the controls for the application. This is error list window. Here you can perform the following tasks: display the errors, warnings, and messages produced while you write code. Find syntax errors noted by IntelliSense. Find deployment errors, certain static analysis errors, and errors detected while applying enterprise template policies. Double-click any errors message entry to open the file where the problem occurs and move to the error location. This is output window. It displays status messages for various features in the IDE and include build errors and compilation errors. After create a new project, use Solution Explorer to view and manage projects and solutions and their associated items. Here we can add and delete files such as CSHTML, HTML, C#, or VB, and class files, etc. Also, web services and other references are referred in Solution Explorer. Start page. This open. We can see open project solution, open folder, open website. This shows all the saved project. Also, new project is there for creating new web app, Windows app, and console application. Click on the file, new, and we can see project and website. This is for creating new web application and website. Then open for open the existing project. Then start page. This is Visual Studio starting page. Then close button is used for the closing the page. Then save all for saving all the project page. Account setting for changing our profile information. Then recent files shows the recent files and projects. Then edit, go to. Here we can see go to all file, type, member, and symbols. These I will explain later. Then find and replace. This is for find and replace the items on the corresponding page. Bookmarks. This is for giving bookmarks on the project. This I will explain later. Now click on the view. The Solution Explorer. This we have already mentioned. Then Team Explorer. It manages and coordinates source code. Then Server Explorer. This we have already mentioned. Then Cloud Explorer. It enables to view the Azure resources and resources group. SQL Server Object Explorer. Here we are able to manipulate multiple databases from a database server. Bookmark window. Providing bookmarks for a particular line of code. Call hierarchy. This enables to better understand how code flows. Class view displays the element of an application. Code definition window. It helps to view your code blocks. This is a read only. Then object browser, to view the component object model in the object browser. Now error list. It shows the errors in the project. Task list. It manages shortcuts that will take directly to a predefined location in the code. Toolbox. It's mentioned it before. Notification. It shows all the project notifications. Find result. It will show the search result displayed inside find result. Other windows. We can see all the different types of windows here. These I will explain later. Toolbars. It will show all the menu items. These I will explain later. Full screen. Make the screen wider. Now property window. This all the control property will show here. Click on the project. This is for creating a project template. Debug. Here we can debug our project. Now click on options. It will show all the task details. I will explain later. Team. We have already mentioned it earlier. Now tools. Extension and updates. It enables the third-party tools for the project. These I will explain later. Connect it to database. It will connect the database. Connect it to server. Here we can add a new server. Web code analysis. Here it will change all the settings in the project. NuGet package manager. This is package manager code and package manager settings for installing and managing third-party tools. I will explain later. WCF Service Configuration Editor. It will show all the services in the project. Import and export settings for setting the Visual Studio configurations. Now customize. This used for customize tools and commands. This I will explain later. Now, test. It gives developers and testers a quick way to look for the logic errors in the method of classes in project. Analyze is for analyzing the code in Visual Studio. Window. All the Windows screen configurations are shown here. This I will explain later. Help. Here we get help from the Microsoft Visual Studio. This is navigate backward and forward. This is for switching the code page and design page. Also, we can see some more items on the menu. These are new project, open file, save, save all, undo and redo, solution configurations, solution platform, attach, find files, add or remove, buttons. This I will explain later. Thanks for watching this video. For more tutorial videos on IT development, please subscribe our channel. Kindly send your feedback and suggestions to our email ID, that is info@btctechnolabs.com.